Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. How are you guys today? I'm in the warehouse, as you can see. Well, part of the warehouse. I got the whole other side of the warehouse too, which is quite a mess. But if you're new here, hi, hello. I'm Salena from AmourFabriQues. It's Monday morning, so usually I just jump in here into the warehouse, put all the lights on, get things warmed up. It is starting to get kind of chilly here. I don't know about where you guys are at, but I'm North Florida, so if it gets to the 70s, it gets that's cold. That's cold. I'm not a big fan of cold. So I know a lot of you guys are probably scrutinizing me right now because cold to you is probably in the negatives. And here I'm complaining about 70 degrees, but it is kind of chilly. My fingers are a little red, so it's cold to me. If you're new here, hopefully you like this channel. I get to show you bits and bobs of what I do today. And hopefully you guys like the intro of some of the information I have here. I figured I'd give you guys a little peek. I know I've been doing a lot of little peeks here and there. I haven't really given you guys a warehouse tour, mainly because a lot of times I get stock in and then stock out, and then it's like a mess, and then it's nice, and it's a mess, and it's nice, and maybe I need to stop worrying about mess and then just show you, because I think no matter what in business, there's gonna be messes. And I just have this OCD thing where I want things perfect. So, but at least I gave you a little peek. I just also want to give you guys updates on what's coming up. Those who know the vintage children's kits went out last week, which they were so cute. I did 40 of those kits. That is extremely more than I normally do, but I had to give a variety, and they were just so perfect. And I know a lot of you guys are happy, and I'm really appreciative. I've been hearing a lot of positive feedback on those. They turn out just beautiful. I think just to top it off, to have a first edition book in your pack that you can either rip or not rip, it's totally up to you, was a big deal. I mean, it's a big deal for me. How often can you get a first edition book and get an entire junk journal kit for $34, right? So especially when the book's value is just about almost to that price. But I got a good deal. I give you guys a good deal. So what's new and what's coming up? All right, I know that last week on I think I said the 14th, that those the vintage cookbook kits, you guys seen that video, would be up, and they didn't. I guess I'll give you a little bit of life scare. Reason why those didn't go up is because I had a huge scare for myself, my own body. Those will be going up here within 24 hours. Today's Monday, it's a holiday, so it's perfect timing because I don't have to worry about shipping orders out today. I can social media send out the video of those kits, which, just wait guys, those cookbook kits are over 100 pieces of the variety cookbook favorites from the Betty Crockers. I'm looking over there at them now. I can't wait to show you guys. And you get a cool journal cover from each one of those vintage books. A lot of them I didn't show you the vintage covers. Maybe I should have to tease you, but I didn't. There's some really cool oldies in there, and you get the cover for free. And I'm not sure exactly the prices on those, but we'll know that today. So back to the life scare. I'm not going to go too much into it because I think it's just something I have to be more aware of. So I woke up, got out of bed it was like a handful of days ago, the day this was supposed to announce. And I got really dizzy, nauseated. I couldn't see. Broke down in these cold sweats to the point my entire clothes within 2 minutes were drenched. Like you can just literally, I couldn't move. My entire body just kind of like dropped out from underneath me. And I passed out. I woke up, didn't know what happened. Thankfully, my husband was there. Did all this stuff, running around. He's like, I'm calling the ambulance. Like, don't you dare call the ambulance. Me, I'm like, no, I wouldn't allow it. I would have to be like near death before you get me on an ambulance. So he didn't, thankfully, because it would have took a whole day away that I could be doing something else. I know I'm going to hear scrutiny for what I just said. But yes, I personally, if I can figure it out at home, I can take care of myself, kind of thing. So all in all, one of the reasons why I didn't have him do it is because I have very low blood pressure. I have had low blood pressure for years. And it was just the signs of it. And I wasn't being aware that I wasn't watching it. And so all you had to do was feed me a bunch of pickles, some ice packs, change my sweat-drenched clothes, and I was fine. But it is something I should be more seriously watching because I get so obsessed with my work and what I do that I don't pay attention to what my body's telling me. If my blood pressure is low, I should stop and do what I need to do to bring it back up, kind of thing. So that's pretty much what happened. I was gray in the face. I was like, but honestly, of all the years, I've never passed out before. That was a shock. Like, I had no control of any of my bodily functions, and I really mean that. And it just, that was scary. So yeah, so hence the cookbook things didn't throw their way out there is because of that. My husband's like, nope, you're taking the weekend off. So that's what I did. So for the whole weekend, I got to take time off, and it was good, but it was torturous at the same time, because I like to meet deadlines. I like to produce what I say I'm going to produce and offer what I'm going to say I'm going to offer. So I apologize for that, but then again, it is my fault. And so I need to work on being sometimes better. Anyways, enough said of that. So those cookbook packs are coming out. I am super excited. I have a few of them that I love the covers on that I would definitely love to keep, but I'm not. They're for you guys. So I can't wait to show you guys that video. I need to stop looking over there at them because I'm so excited. So like I said, 100-page pack, so cool. And then those who already got the pre-order, down below if you haven't, those for Junk in My Trunk who've been following, who love those Holly Hobby kits. So I had the pre-order for the blue down there and the yellow. And I didn't say this when I was doing the live video for those who watched me live last week, but I have a third kit of Holly Hobby, and I didn't want to show it then live because I didn't have the pieces together for it. Because we had the yellow Holly Hobby kit, we had the blue Holly Hobby kit. Those love the yellow. The blue is just about done. You can pre-order those. But today, later today, take a peek in the shop because I'm putting the pre-order for the pink as well. Because the pink, oh my God, is just lovely. I wonder if I can show you guys. It's in that bin. I can't. I gotta turn the camera. But it's everything pink. So we have some followers that wanted everything pink. And I didn't really want to show that Holly Hobby pack until I have enough of the everything pink to show you. So that one's going to be in the shop for pre-order down below. So take a peek, keep looking in the shop, keep seeing if it's there. Those are pre-done in boxes, ready to go. Those are like 3 kits in one, where you get the slow stitch kit, the needle book kit, the junk journal kit, the beading kit, the sea beads kit with the sea bead needle. What else is in there? I did the digital needle book in there where you guys, have already printed out and quality photo on 110 cardstock for you to make your own needle book. Those will be in each kit. Those are an amazing kit. I'm hoping to do a live today, or schedule the live. I'll be scheduling the live, so then you guys at least have an idea when I'll go live, to where you can have the notification when I do and you can be able to join in. But I will show the pink kit then. And so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And so that is coming up as well. Thank God for today's a holiday. It gives me an extra day to like catch up, especially since I got 2 days off. Can you see I look bright? I look fresh. My hair is not in a ponytail. Well, I still got workout clothes on, but hey. So the shop. So over in this corner, I'll give you guys a little peek. I might go over there with you. Hey boy cat. So I had the warehouse doors open, so little boy cat's coming in. Maybe he'll come say hey. So she's not supposed to be in here, but the door's open and that's my fault. Hey little man, looking for trouble. He's not here. He's going to be coming around the corner here in a minute. What are you doing? You looking for trouble? Okay, so this is the Sari wall, pretty much the Sari duplitas, where it's like the beaded sequence. It's due for, it's kind of a mess, so I figured I could show you the mess. Usually the fabrics that are in each bin, which I can grab a bin. Okay, give you an idea. All right, let's see here, a bin of an idea. Well, this is not done, so I'll show you. So, for instance, here is supposed to be pink and supposed to be blue packs. Well, it looks like on this bin, which is due, is the blue packs that are the 10.5 by 10.5, 10 pack of the sequenced vintage Sari. And they're absolutely gorgeous. Well, there's only one left, and usually this whole bin is filled. Same thing with pink, but there's none left, none done. So what I do is I put the fabrics already pre-cut, ready to be cut in there. And then usually the worker, either my husband or some worker comes in, they pull this bin, they take out the fabrics, and they start cutting. And then this will be full. So this whole wall looks like we're low. So Everything on this wall needs to be cut, although, yeah, look at, for instance, here's red, one left. That is scary. It's because I've been working with the junk journal world that I've been slacking on that one over there. So, which that is going to be done this week. So those are quick and easy. It's probably overwhelming for those who watched. You're like, holy moly, how do you get all that done in a week, within a week? I can get probably all those bends done within 2 days because they're already pre-cut in one direction. So all I have to do is cut the opposite direction. Silks are the entire top row. I don't know if it shows you. That's 100% woven silks. That whole rack over there that goes all the way back here. These bins are nothing but filled of vintage sari. Already in the shop, already pre-packaged, ready to go. They're the full, complete saris. Those are the ones that you get to choose your sari. I should rephrase that. Sari scarves, because there's a difference between a sari and a sari scarf. Maybe I should explain that here in a minute. So, I'll explain that. All right. For those who want to know or inquire to want to know the difference between a sari, a full sari, and a sari scarf is, think about it. When you think of a sari, what do you think? Those people, I should rephrase that because that ethnic group from India, they wrap their entire bodies with it, right? So a sari is going to be between 5 to 7 yards long because they got to wrap themselves around and around their head and, you know, all the beautiful things. When you think sari scarf, you're not wrapping your entire body with it. It's just the upper half of the sari. So pretty much a sari scarf, the ones that we sell here in the shop, are usually 2 yards long. And the width of those are usually, which is like 72 inches. The width of those are like a yard wide. Sometimes they could be a little bit wider, sometimes they could be a little bit longer, depends on them. But they're all vintage and they're all different. So there's a difference between a sari scarf, which is commonly called a dupatta, which I'm probably saying that incorrectly in English. But it looks like a dupatta, it's D-U-P-A-T-T-A. And a sari, S-A-R-I, or AKA commonly known as S-A-R-E-E. Saris are like 7 yards long. Hope I explained that well. That's a hard one to explain. But to me, it seems simple because I work with it every day. Let me think here. Scraps, sari strips. Comment down below what you guys think if I should start doing a video on each thing, because I can. Like for instance, the sari strips, those are like 20 yards of sari strips and they're all about a yard length, and I have them in the shop per color, which are absolutely gorgeous. And maybe you guys would like to see it. I mean, it's hard to show just in a photo, and maybe I can show you the beauty of it. They're just gorgeous. Comment down below if you think I should start doing videos on that. For those who've been watching though, I have been putting the saris and the India supply, the vintage supply aside, keeping it in the stock in the shop for you guys, because I'll always have it, because I do have a following who loves that, like the fiber artist, the dowel artist. Geez, there's so many people. Junk journalers like it. They're somewhat scared about using it because how do you use it? But of course I get a phone call in the middle of a video. That's my man. He's gonna have to wait a minute. But I've been working with the junk journaler world, the scrapbookers, doing mixed media and stuff, but bringing in back the vintage supply for that, because my supply there in the shop was getting kind of low, and the holidays are coming. You guys want to make your projects, you want to make your books, you want to make your different things for family, and I want to make sure that's in there, and I've been so behind on it. So what else am I missing? I think that's about it. So my main goal is, though, don't forget to hit the notification bell in YouTube, just in case if you don't have it, because there's a lot of things this week are going to just kind of like pop out. We got, like I said, we got the cookbook kits, we got the Holly Hobby kits. You know, they're kind of pre-ordered right now. Down below you can get them, but they're out and they're going to be shipping out this week, which I'm so excited. But I will also have lives scheduled, because I want to do a live here coming up, finishing up, because the live I just did recently was messing around with that needlebook kit, and I like to finish that needlebook, as well, like a craft on live, and then just I think I might just pop on live just to, you guys can help me package orders or show you the lineup when I do cookbook pages and those kind of things. So those are coming up, so don't forget to hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, you can message down below, or down below is other ways to reach out to me through the Etsy shop, through Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. down below is able to do that. So I got everything. Gosh, it feels so good to be back. Let's get this party started, guys. I'm gonna start rocking it here in the house, put some music on, and we're gonna have fun today, guys. You guys have a good week. It's gonna be an amazing week. A lot of cool things are coming up, not only just for my shop, but just in life in general. Holidays, family. I'm excited for this. All right, guys, have a wonderful week. Until next time, bye.